Hi guys, if your WhatsApp account is under review and you cannot access your chats, don't worry. This guide will help you resolve the issue. So first, open WhatsApp and check your messages on the review screen. If you believe your account was restricted by mistake, find and select the request a review option. Clearly explain why you think the restriction is an error and submit your request directly to WhatsApp. And ensure that you're using the official version of WhatsApp downloaded from the Google Play Store, and also ensure that it's updated to its latest version. So go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp application, then click on update if the option is available. And if you're using a modified or unofficial version of WhatsApp like third party client, uninstall it. Then install the official WhatsApp app. And also check your internet connection. Verify that you have a stable Wi Fi connection. And if the Wi Fi isn't working, you can switch between your mobile data. And if WhatsApp indicates that your review is still processing, you generally need to wait and do not use any third party applications or websites that claim to instantly remove the restriction. They cannot officially unlock your account. And if your account is reinstated, you should be able to use WhatsApp normally. If WhatsApp confirms that your account violated its terms, follow their provided instructions. So by using a WhatsApp official review process, the official app, and avoiding unofficial tools, you can address the account and review problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.